do I become more patient? Akhi, patience and tolerance is not an injection that you can take or a pill that you can swallow. It is something that you have to condition yourself. إنما العلم بالتعلم والحلم بالتحلم. The Prophet says, as-salam, learning knowledge is by learning it. And being forbearing is by conditioning yourself to be forbearing. And whoever teaches himself to become patient, Allah would make him patient. So it is a state of mind. When you are like a helicopter view, looking at those under you with compassion and forgiveness. When you learn how to pardon, when you learn how to look the other way, not every single word someone says to me is, what did you say? What did you mean? No. You cannot live like this. Your wife would not stand living with you. Your children would not bear being with you. Sometimes you hear something and just shrug your shoulders and look the other way as if you did not hear it. How to become patient? When you learn and remember that you also have your own flaws and your own shortcomings and mistakes. And definitely you would not like others to be impatient towards you for your shortcomings and flaws. So likewise, try to overlook people's mistakes and try to have always the upper hand by forgiving and expanding your chest to accept people's mistakes. And this, inshallah, would make you a better person, and Allah knows best.